Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, Computational Methods using MATLAB by Professor K. Vindarsamhan. This is lecture number 12, Decision Making in MATLAB Programming. So, nothing but if, else if conditions. Okay. We will discuss the decision making in MATLAB programming in detail. Okay. Now, coming to what is decision making. Decision making is nothing but whether it is true or false. Okay. Decision making structure requires that programmer should specify one or more condition to be evaluated or tested by the program along with the statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statement to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. Following is the general form of the typical decision making structure found in the most of the programming languages. Now observe, I will explain the this diagram. Now just observe. Suppose we are giving a condition. Here this is a condition. Suppose we are giving some condition. If the condition is true, then it executes the some codes. If it is true, condition is true. Suppose if the condition is false, if the given condition is false, then simply it ignores the inside code. Now this is the simple flowchart diagram. So now check the condition, whether it is true, then it executes the next commands. Then if it is false, simply skip all these lines. Suppose if you write some condition x is greater than 15, suppose if x is greater than 15 is true, then it executes some condition, some y equals to x plus 1, like that. Suppose if it is false, then what happens? Simply it ignores, then go to the next line. So simply it ignores the these lines, then go to next line. So now what is the syntax of if condition? We have several types of if conditions in MATLAB programming. If and statement, if only one condition, then closing with and statement. Okay, I will show you. Suppose if you start with the if condition, then close with the end, then it requires this one structure. Okay, suppose if you want to check again, suppose first if condition, check the some condition. If it is true, okay, then it executes the lines. Suppose if it is not true, if this is not true, then go to else. Again check the some condition. If it is true, execute all these lines. Suppose if it is false, okay, then suppose if you write and here, then go to the next line. So if this n for this one, this n for this one. So we have several types of if conditions, if and, if else, if and if else, and etc. And also nested if statements and switch statements and nested switches. So but here in this lecture we will discuss about only first two or few examples based on if conditions. Now what is the syntax of if and statement? So if and statement, very simple. First starting with the keyword if, then write the some expression, then write all the some quotes. If it is true, write all the quotes, then closing with the end. This is very simple syntax, if and statement. So what is the meaning? If the condition is true, then execute all the quotes. If it is false, simply it terminates this structure. Okay. Now coming to a simple example. I will show you in the software. Okay, just I will copy this one. I will explain each and every line. Don't worry. Now observe. Okay, I will copy this one. What is the program? This program. Okay, just check it. Here a value is given, a equals to 10. Okay, check if a is less than 20. Okay, in this situation, in this particular problem, a is definitely less than 20 because a equals to 10 less than 20, 20 is more than 10. Then what happened? This condition is true. Okay, this condition is true, then execute inside. Okay, here there is no inside. I will write something. Wait, yeah. Okay. F printf a is less than 20. A is less than 20. The given number is less than 20. Suppose if you want to check if the given number is less than 20 or not, then we will write this like this program. A is less than 20. So, if a is less than 20, then directly it executes f printf equals to this one. Otherwise, the value of a is not less than 20. Check whether it is true or false. Is okay. I will write this one is greater than 20. Instead of all these things, just I will write is greater than or equal to 20. So, what is the program here? A script file. This is called script file, nothing but M file. A script file for checking whether the given number is less than 20 or not, okay, is not less than 20. I will write like this, is not less than 20. So, now I will explain this program. Okay, very simple. So, instead of number input, I will give input, enter the number. Now, check, very easy program, if condition. Okay, I will explain in the board. Now, observe. What is the question? Suppose we are giving some number 20 or 30, whatever it may be. Now, what is the condition? If condition, if a is less than 20, then what happen? If it is true, f printf, what is the meaning? The given number is less than 20. If not, then what happen? Here end statement is closed. Then if this is not true, then what happen? F printf, the given number is not less than 20. Very simple. What is the condition here? Conditional statement, here decision making. A is less than 20. If it is true, then what do you say? The given number is less than 20. If it is true. If it is false, then what do you say? A is not less than 20. a is not less than 20. Now this is called if statement. So in the similar way, now just check it. I will again repeat again. So this is a script file for checking whether the given number is less than 20 or not. Okay, now give the sum, enter the sum number. So now check. Okay, I will save the number less than 20. Suppose if you want to check which number is greater than or which number is less than, then replace 20 by some number. So here condition is if is less than 20. If it is true, it executes this line. Otherwise, if it is false, simply it ignores this structure, then go to this line. Okay, I will run this program. So enter the number. Okay, I will enter the number 23. So 23 is not less than 20. Okay, I will write one more /n. Okay, this is a good practice. Okay, again I will write this one. Good practice. Another good practice is clear screen, CLC. Okay. Now 23. So this is not less than 20. Okay. Again run the program. I will give 3 only. Then what happened? Oh, sorry. Wait. Sorry. Wait. I will write else condition. Okay. Okay. Instead of end, I will write one more. Very important. Okay. I will write else. Okay. Then no problem. Otherwise, it prints both the number less than 20 and greater than 20. Now it is wrong. Okay. Now check it. Okay. Less than 20 is correct. So this is if else statement. This is called if else statement, whether it is less than 20 or not. Okay. Very simple. If else. Okay, I will explain again. So this is a very simple program. Printf, it gives only a number. Okay, then no problem. If else already discussed in this problem. If this condition is true, then it executes all the statements. Else, if it is false, then it executes the remaining statements before end. So very simple. The condition, if it is true, it executes all these things. Else, it executes other remaining statements like this example. If this is true, it executes this line. Else, if it is false, then it executes these lines. So before end. So this is one loop. Okay, one structure. If else and statement. This is called if else and statement. In the similar way, you can write nested if else and etc. Okay. Now coming to exercise questions. Okay. Write a script file to find the minimum of 5 number code. So suppose if it is a very simple question, write a code file to find the minimum of 5 numbers. So write the 5 numbers in vector form, then apply minimum. But our concept is using if statement. Using if statement is, this is not correct. MATLAB code. Using if statement, only if statement. What is the procedure? Just I will explain very simple, in the very simple manner. Okay. Right. Okay. Suppose we are giving 5 numbers. Suppose for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in vector form, okay, give a vector form. So this is called A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, etc. Now check one by one. Suppose A of 1 is greater than A of 2, then what do you say? So A1 is not minimum, A1 is not minimum. Now go to A2. So now I will call it as A1, okay, just for understanding, A1 equals to A2. So I will replace A1 by this number. Okay, this is first if condition. Now again if, suppose this is true, then what happen? It executes this one. Now again check this condition, okay, again check this condition. So for remaining elements, so now A of 1 is greater than A of 3. If it is true, then directly A of 1 equals to A of 3. Now comparing with this one, this one, this one, this one. Suppose if you are using for loop, then it is very easy. Okay, in the looping concept, I will explain again the same problem without using the for loop. Okay, same. Now write if nested if, only nested if condition we are applying this program. Now listen. Okay, I already prepared this program. Okay, just I will explain. Now observe. Just observe. So A equals to input, enter the number 5 numbers, enter the 5 numbers in vector form. Now if condition, if, okay, this is like this, okay, then no problem. If A is greater than A2, then if it is true, now replace, because A2 is not minimum number, now replace the first element by second element. Now again check if A1 is greater than A3, if A1 is greater than, now checking with the third element. So first element is replaced. If it is minimum number, now checking with third element. If it is greater number, now second number is replace the first number with second number, because A1 is bigger than second number. Then coming to a third element, comparing these two, if it is true, then what happen? Now again A1 is greater than A3. Now A1 is bigger than, for finding the minimum value, now replace A1 by A of 1 by A of 3. Now again check A of 1 is greater than A of 3. Now we are using nested if and so on. So again finally use n for this one, n for this if, and also n for this view, and also n for this one. Okay. After that, okay, every time we are replacing the first element only, so the minimum number is A1. Okay, I will check the program. Okay, run this program. Enter the number. Okay, just for understanding, I will write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum number is 1. Okay, again run the program in the matrix form. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again minimum number is 1. Okay, I will again run the program. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Okay, 4 or 3, then no problem. Again minimum number is 1. So very simple program. This is very simple program. Okay, I will copy it in the our console, our file, record file. Okay, this is not correct one. So if you are using if statement only, then use only if statement. Okay. If you want, take the screenshot. output, okay, output. Okay. Now, our next question is, second question is, create a script file to read using only if only. Test whether it is even or not. Very easy program. Okay, I will explain the logic. Very simple. Suppose if you are giving a number, suppose you are giving a number a, now divide with 2. If the remainder is 1, then what do you say? A is an even number. If it is not 1, so this is again condition. If it is not 1, then what do you say? A is not an even number, maybe 0 also, even number. So check whether it is even or not. So what is the program? Okay, I will explain. I will show you. I will show you in our. So division is nothing but we are giving. So another program. Input, enter the number n, okay, then no problem. Here we are using mod function for finding the remainder. So use mod function. If it is x equals to 1, x is nothing but remainder equals to 1, then what do you say? Directly the given number is something. If x equals to 1, then what do you say? Remainder is okay. We will now check it. Wait. A small explanation correction. If the remainder is 0, not 1, sorry. If the remainder is 0, it is even. Remainder is equals to 1, not an even number. Okay, using this concept. So x equals to 1, the given number is not even, else otherwise. Now observe end if closing with end statement, end command. So given number is 0. Suppose if you want to write 0 here, then what happen? If the given number is even, else if it is not even. Okay, you may write 0 or 1, then no problem. Okay. Suppose if you write 0 here, first I will run this program, then I will change the program, even or not. Okay, run this program. So good practice is CLC. Okay, CLC is missed. Okay, then no problem. Okay, I will write 34. Then what happened? I will write a 34, x equals to 0. So this is not required. Okay, I will close it. Closing with /n. This is also good practice. Okay. Now run this program. Now closing with semicolons. Otherwise, unnecessary data is given in the output. Okay, 23. So the given number 23 is not an even. So if you write percentile, then write the corresponding number. Already we discussed in the first lecture. So if you write percentile, then write after comma, write the corresponding number. So then n number is printed here. So 23 is not an even number. Okay, again I will run the program. 34. The given number 34 is even number. very simple. Okay, I will copy this one. What is the output? Okay, I will change the program with 0. Suppose if it is 0, then what happen is even, or else not. You may write 0 or 1, then no problem. Okay, I will write 45. So not an even number. 100. Give only integers. Okay, even number. Very simple. You may write 0 here or 1 here. So we are using the mod function for finding the remainder. Or you may write tilde 1. Tilde means not 1, not 1, not 1. Then again the same procedure. Enter the number 23. So 23 is not an even number. Okay. 234 is an even number. You may write any one of the condition, if condition equal to 0 or equal to 1, not equal to 1, equal to 0, equal to 1, or not equal to 1, or not equal to 0 also. Okay, check whether apply any one of the if condition, conditional statement. Now coming to next question. So this is actually for loop concept. Okay, but time being I am explaining here. Okay, again I am explain the same concept in for loop also, don't worry. What is the question? What is the question? Listen carefully. Write a script file to create 4 by 4 matrix whose diagonal elements are 2's and other elements are 1's. So now what is this is the output. Diagonal elements are 2's, remaining elements are 1's. So this is we are using for loop and also if condition. What is the for loop syntax? What is the for loop? Just I will explain briefly. What is the for loop syntax? For I equals to 1, now observe 1, I equals to, now write the colon. Okay, I colon 4. So 1 I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, looping, repeating the same statement for I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 3, then write some conditions and closing with n. Closing with n. This is the simple syntax for for statement. So now we are repeating the same codes for I equals to 1 and also I equals to, because this is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. So no need to write I plus plus like that. So this is very simple syntax for I equals to 1 colon 4. Now write the some code, then closing with n. So I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it repeats the same code for 4 times or 5 times. This is nothing but for loop. So we will discuss the in detail concept in next lecture. Now what is the procedure here? Create 4 by 4 matrix. Diagonal elements are 2's. Remaining elements are 1's. So very simple concept. Now try to understand this program. So we are using 1's function of 4. So here first we are created 1's 4. 1's 4 is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All are 1's, we are using this one. Next we are starting a for loop. So, because this is a two-dimensional array, matrix is a two-dimensional array, so and contains 4 rows and 4 columns, and so I am using first for loop I equals to 1 2 4, second for loop j equals to 1 2 3 4, because this matrix X contains 4 by 4 elements. Okay. Now, if I equals to j and nothing but diagonal elements, x I j equals to, so already some 1 is there, now you add 1. So, repeat the same step for j equals to 1 2 3 4, I equals to 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will explain in detail in the next lecture. So, here just observe the condition, diagonal elements both are I equals to j, row and column index both are same, then add 1. So, you will get the this one. Okay, I will show you. This is a very simple program with the help of for loop and if condition. Okay, just run the program, you will get 4 by 4 matrices created. Very simple. Diagonals are 2s and remaining elements are 1s. Very simple program. Try to understand. Very easy. Just try it. In the similar way, fourth question. Write a script file to find the roots of the given quadratic form and display the nature of the roots, equal or not. Okay. You may write in any one of the way. Okay, I will explain. If the roots are equal or not. Okay. You may use this type. Now give the equation, directly give the equation. Now apply solve function. Solve function using solve function using our symbolic mathematics. So, first one is first root is s of 1, second root is s of 2. After solving these two, now if both are not equal, then display roots are not equal. If both the roots are equal, then x equals to j, s of 1 equals to s of j, simply the roots are equal. So, I am explaining in another way. I think this is better way without using this concept. Okay, I will explain in another way. Okay. Roots are equal or not. Okay. Roots equal, name like that. Okay, then no problem. First, program name, a script file for check whether the roots of the given quadratic equation are equal or not. Roots are equal or not. So, very simple. First give the I will write x equals to input, okay, enter the coefficient of x square, enter the coefficient of x square. So, I will call it closing with semicolon. Then B, enter the coefficient of x quadratic form, and C, constant term. Now, first find the discriminant. I will call it as D. Discriminant D equals to SQRT of B square minus 4 into A into C. Then what is the meaning? If the discriminant is 0, then what do you say? Discriminant is 0. If the discriminant is 0, then simply we say that the given the roots are equal. Otherwise, the roots are unequal. If D equals to 0, conditional statement equals to 0, then what do you say? F printf the roots, F printf, sorry, open bracket, and the roots of the given quadratic equation are equal. Yeah. Else, then what do you say? Else, then what do you say? Roots are unequal. Okay, I will type here. Roots are not equal or unequal. Unequal. Suppose if you want to print the roots also, then no problem. Okay. The roots of the given equation are, suppose if you want to print all the roots are, okay, I will write percentile D some space or comma percentile D, okay. So, x1 comma x2 both are roots. Okay. Okay, I will close the quotes here. Now, what is x1? X1 equals to, already known, already discussed, minus b plus d by 2 into a. First root. This is second root. Okay. We are printing the root also. Roots are also. Okay. And also I will use slash n, otherwise it will declare, you will get the output now, and also write CLC, sorry, CLC. Okay. Okay, now I will run the program. Okay, check if there is any mistake or not. Okay, check it. Okay, something happened. Okay, end is missed. Okay, end is missed. Okay, then end statement is missed. Okay, directly we will get if end is missed, then no problem. Now coming to okay. Okay, something happened. Okay, I will check it. CLC. Okay. So first give only one number. The coefficient of x square 1, quotient of x 4, then press enter, constant number is 4. So, somewhere I think this one, here slash n is not given, then you will get the wrong answer. Okay. Okay, fine. Here also slash n. Now copy this one, CLC minus s square root of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac by 2a, 2a minus b plus or minus b square root of square root by 2a. Okay. Okay, then no problem. Now check it. The quotient of x square is 1, quotient of x is 4, constant term is 4, the roots are something unequal. Okay, then wait somewhere equal to 0. Right. Okay, I found the mistake. This is C. Sorry, that's why you got wrong answer. Okay, that's why we got the wrong answer. Now, this is not, this is C. C is missed. Okay, sorry. 1, 4, 4. Roots are equal, so minus 2 and minus 2. Okay. Suppose if you want to type both the terms in another line, slash n. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, I will repeat again. First, x square coefficient is 1. Okay, x coefficient is 4 and x coefficient is 4. The roots are minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, here comma is not required, just only for understanding. Okay, I will show you. Very simple. Give the three numbers. If the discriminant is 0, b square minus 4 root of b square minus 4ac, then roots are equal, otherwise unequal. Okay. Suppose if you give complex roots, then directly roots are unequal directly. This is a very simple program. Okay, I will copy this one. So I think it contains more information than this one. Directly here we are using functions concept. Now coming to the last question. So today's last question, this is quite very easy. Write a script file to create a function f(x) equals to 1 if x is less than 1, if f(x) equals to x square if x lies between minus 1 to 2, otherwise 0. Very simple. If x is less than 1, x is less than 1, then it is true. So y equals to 1. Else if minus 1 is less than or equals to and x is less than or equals to 2, then it is x square. Else x is greater than 2. This is very simple program. Okay. Check it. Very simple. And also I will call it as a function. I think better. Here there is no x values are given, y values are given. Okay, we have to find the value fun of x comma 1. I will create a function or script file, then no problem. Suppose if you want to create a function, then no problem. Then write one more end. Okay. So this is the procedure for finding for creation of a function. Now give some values, you will get the required value. X only a single input. Okay, sorry, only single input. Now check it, only single input, x value. Suppose if you want to create, okay, I will show you in output also in two ways, function and also fun. Okay, then no problem. Okay, suppose if you want to find the value, function value at some 2, then what happen? Right, this is not required, this is also not required, this is not required, just CLC semicolon. Okay, I will type this one. F equals to 2, what happen? What is the function value? X equals to 2, x square, square of the function. Square of the function, you will get something happen. Okay, I will take it as y instead of f, take y. So in this program we are using the variable y instead of y. Okay, I will. Okay, we are using y, not f. Okay, 2. Now you will get the answer, no doubt. 4. Suppose if you want to type some 3, you will get 0. Suppose if you want to type -1, you will get 1. So very simple. So if you want to create a function file, then create it. This is a function file. Okay, just I will copy here. Suppose method 2, method 3. Suppose if you want to create a script file, very simple. So I will copy all these things in another file. So replace function by x equals to input enter the number then you will get the function value. Very simple, CLC, very simple. So I will save with same name. Okay, then no problem. Enter. Okay, ends, this end is not required, for this is for function end. Okay, enter the number. So 2, you will get square of the number. So there is no output here. Okay, okay, I will remove this one, I will remove this one, I will remove this one. For output, suppress command are using, that's why you are not getting the answer. So you will get 4. Suppose if you run again with -1, what happened? You will get 1. Okay, so this is very simple program. Suppose if you want to create a script file, then create it. Right. This is the third method. output. Okay, today I will stop here. So tomorrow we will discuss about loops concept and also programming for numerical methods. We will discuss all these things in the next lecture. Okay, meet again. Thank you very much.